Oh yeah, this would be the perfect time to say that there's not a soul in sight except for one very tired Ginyu. Welcome to the blizzard of sorts. Blizzard my ass. This is nothing but a minor inconvenience. As you see, I'm currently at the Mark Twain house. Let's have a look at that right there. This would be the perfect time to film a guerrilla movie, because there's no one around and no one in their right mind would be walking around in this weather. But whoever said that I was in my right mind? One day I shall come back. Yes, I shall come back. I shall come back to the city to bring forth many things that are cool. Until then, enjoy the snow. And yeah, enjoy the blizzard while it's still here. Or wannabe blizzard. It's really not that bad. I've seen worse. Believe me. Extremely worse. This is nothing. This is whatever. So, on another note, once again I have shown a new Whovian the epicness that was the 5 Doctors. So yes, even on a snowy day like this, my mission to educate new Whovians about Rassilon, about the game of Rassilon, about the single most powerful man who was the founder of the Time Lord Society, that Rassilon. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the 5 Doctors. Episode 130. It's actually quite peaceful here. I'm enjoying myself. There's plenty of time to think. And as you can see, it's still snowing. I got a long journey ahead of me, and my battery is running low. So the next time you see me, well, hopefully I'll be back at my workstation and continuing on with my YouTube endeavors. Until then, all you normal people who fear the snow should avoid the snow like the plague, while people like me who are on a mission, well, feel free to do whatever the bloody hell you need be. Whatever the bloody hell you want, I suppose. Doesn't matter a hill of beans to me. Watch Doctor Who. Watch the Christmas special. Do what needs to be done to have some fun. Now that you're cooped up in your home because there's snow, play some video games, dagnabbit. Play my video games. They're free. Link down there somewhere. Yes. And like my Facebook page. Link also down there. As a loud car walks by or drives by, whatever, I don't care. So yeah, it's snowing. And on that note, I'm bringing this video to an end.